Urgent weather message for the following counties: Erie, Ohio. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 230, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Erie, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 230 has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Erie, Ohio. Severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, northeastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oak Harbor to 7 miles southwest of Port Clinton to near Fremont, moving at 35 miles per hour.
Okay, what did I do with the spark?
Port Clinton, Kelly's Island, Twin Bay, Klein, Oak Harbor, Northern Milan, Castellian, Mobile, Catawba Island, Marblehead, Duluth.
Your guys' encoder's still broken. Whoops.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Ottawa, and Sandusky. Weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm watch number 230 has been extended until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and expanded to include the following counties: Ashland, Ohio. Municipal waters from the islands of Ohio to Willowick, Ohio. Open waters from the islands of Ohio to Willowick, Ohio. Until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles north of Kelly's Island near Twin Bay to Sandusky Bay, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Small craft could be damaged to briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Small craft could be damaged to briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. On Point, Huron, Willowick, Lorraine Harbor, Vermilion, and Cleveland. Huron, Willowick, Lorraine Harbor, Vermilion, and Cleveland. The Micro Canton, Ohio climate summary for this evening as of 5:15 p.m. May 19th.